Yeah, hi. Today's topic is about same. Already we have discussed. The second method I'm going to explain here. Topic is finding rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Yeah. Before explaining this, I just want to explain natural numbers first. Somewhere is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1. Okay. For example, if it is a natural. For example, it's a natural number. Okay. Just simply, roughly, I have drawn. Okay. What are the numbers between 3 and 5? Obviously you can see the number line right now. So the numbers between 3 and 5 is 4, because these are natural numbers. From childhood onwards we are learning what are the natural numbers. It's very easy for us to identify or else to write the numbers between given two natural numbers. Okay, 3 5, between 3 and 5 which number exists? 4. Or else if I say between 7 and 10, how many numbers exist? Means 7, 8, 9. So these are the two numbers which exist between 7 and 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. So two numbers. Okay, because see, it's a because if these are natural numbers, it's very easy for you to calculate or else to identify or else to write the natural numbers between given two natural numbers. If he gives any rational number like this, like 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, okay, write two rational numbers, okay, rational numbers between these two. If he gives like this, how we are going to solve, how we are going to do? I told you already, but I want to explain clearly how you can find out exact. If he asks 3, how to find out 3 exact exact 3 rational numbers. If he asks 2 rational numbers, how to write 2 rational numbers between those two. Before understanding this, let me explain this. Okay, even though you know this, I just want to tell you the hint or else the method. Okay, middle one which exists between 3 and 5. The mathematical way, you can also say that average. Average is nothing but, if he gives two numbers, what is average means? Add those two and divide by 2. For example, A and B average. How to find out? Average is nothing but, if you think these two are numbers, which is a number which is exist between these two exactly. So that is called as average. So how to find out average? A plus B. If he gives two numbers, what is the number which exists between these two numbers? Means add those two, divide by 2. So 3 plus 5 divide by 2. 3 plus 5 how much? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 4s are 8. So 4. So simply by using this formula also we can say 4 is the middle number which exists between 3 and 5. You take any number like let's see, 1 and 7. 1 and 7. What is the number which exists exactly between 1 and 7? So if you take it as a number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is a number which exists exactly between 1 and 7? 4. So let's check whether it is true or not. Between 1 and 7 I said, right? So 1 plus 7 by 2. Average, take their average. So this is the average formula. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. So yes. Now if you take any other example also, let me discuss this later. Okay, how? Okay, let me discuss this one later. Okay, you take any other example, 11 and 20. The number which exists between 11 and 20. Okay, what is the number? 11 and 20. Okay, this is 11. Okay, this is 11 and it is 20. Okay, Between these two means 1, 2, two numbers exist. So between these two, which is there? This point 15.5. Yes, let's whether we get 15.5 or not. Let's check. Okay, so 11 plus 20 by 2. So what is the answer? 31 by 2. So 31 by 2 is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 1, 1, 2 5s are 10, 1.0, 2 5s are 10. Yes, 15.5. Did you get the answer? 15.5. So from 11 to 20, I have taken two numbers exist. Between those two, if we take exactly 15.5 will be the answer. Using scale I am explaining you. Okay, the same thing I am explaining using formula also. So simply, if he gives any two numbers, if you want to know what is the middle number, simply take their average. How to find out the average? A plus B by 2. Who are these A and B? First and last numbers. If you want to know their middle number, you need to add and divide by 2. Simple. So using this method, I'm going to explain what is the ratio number exists between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. If this is a question, which rational number exists between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4? We don't know. So you need to convert them into what? Two methods are there. Converting them into like fraction, that is different method, which I have already explained you in a previous video. Today using average, how to write. Okay, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Average of 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Add these two, divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. So this one I am solving first. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. They are not like fractions, so convert them into like fractions. How to convert? Multiply with a 4 by 4. 3 by 4 is there. Because 4 is there, multiply with 3 by 3. Okay. So 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now 8 plus 9, both the numerators write in numerator place. 16 plus 1, 17 by 12. So this is the addition of these two numbers, but we need to divide, right? So 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 17 by 12. Okay, now what is average then? Average is equal to 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4 by 2. So 17 by 12 by 2. 2 is also written as 2 by 1. So I told you already, A by B divided by C by D is equals to A by B into multiplicative inverse of C by D is D by C. So 17 by 12 into 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. So 17 divided by 12, 2 is 24. So the number which exists between these two is 17 by 24. So we got one value. Yeah, we have taken one value here. So if he asks three numbers, I have written only one. So again take the average of these two. You will get another number here. Again take the average of these two. You will get one more number here. So how many numbers you have calculated using these two? 3 numbers. Okay, this is the method. This is the average method. Each and every time you need to take the average of two numbers so that you will get their middle number. Average of these two so that you are getting their middle number. So totally 3 you got. So at a time, if you want all the numbers which exist between these two, at least 10 rational numbers or else 5 rational numbers, easiest method means simple. 2 by 3, like convert them into like fractions first, and 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. So what is the answer? 8 by 12. Another one is 3 by 4. Converting, this is converting into like fraction. 3 is 9 by 4 is 12. 8 by 12, 9 by 12. So you won't get any 8 by 12, 8 after 9 by 12. So you don't have any number here. So simple. What you need to do at this time, you need to multiply 10 by 10 and 10 by 10 on both the sides. 8 tens are 80 by 120 and 90 by 120. Now you can write down after 80, 81 by 120, 82 by 120, 83 by 120, 84 by 120, 85 by 120, 86 by 120, 87 by 120, 89 by 120, 90 by 1. Okay, this is the easiest method and this is average method. Using average method means you need to solve like this. Converting into like fractions is the easiest method. I prefer this. You follow this method. Actually, you need to learn both the methods. You should understand, you should know this method also, but the easiest method you need to follow. Okay, thank you. Yeah, if you observe this example, write the rational numbers between given two rational numbers he has given. So he's asking you to what is the rational number between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3, which number exists? Say if you take natural numbers, there is no number between 2 and 3. But if it is rational number, there are n number of numbers exist in between 2 and 3. So what is the middle number means take their average. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2. What is the answer? 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 exists in the middle. And what is again the middle number of 2 and 2? 5 by 2 means again need to take the average. A plus B by 2. So 9 by 4. This number exists between these two numbers. And between these two means again you need to check. Okay. So again between these two numbers you get 7 by 8. So like that, go on. You can go on, take averages. You will get the rational numbers which exist between 2 and 3. Or else you can also take the average of these two also. So the middle one you will get. Again these two, this one you will get. Again these two, this one you will get. So this is the longest method I can say. Okay. The very easy, shortest method of finding rational numbers between given elements. So 5 by 10, 9 by 10 is there. Okay, 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. What are the rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 9 by 10 means 5 after 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 9 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. So these three. If he asks more than 3 numbers, write 10 rational numbers between 5 by 10 and 9 by 10. What is the method? Simply multiply and divide with a 10. 50 by 100. Multiply and divide with a 10. 90 by 100. So 50, 90. So what is the number after 50? 51 by 100, 52 by 100, 53 by 100, so on, 89, 90. So many number of rational numbers, more than 10 number of rational numbers you will get using this method. Okay, clear? So this is the easiest method I suggest. So using that you need to solve this too. Clear?